size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lincolnton, Maiden, Westport, Mulger City, Iron Station, Denver, Louisville, Carroll, Krause, and Vale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Catawba, and Lincoln.
Bad news bears.
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Lincoln County in the